Hello there. Each January, your W-2s need to be filed with the SSA, IRS, and some states. The W-2 filing deadline is January 31st. You can choose how you want your W-2s filed in QuickBooks Online Payroll. We can do it for you automatically, or you can file them electronically through QuickBooks. Let's get started filing your W-2s in QuickBooks Online Payroll. First, check your tax preferences. Note, you can't change this setting in January. If your Automate Taxes and Form setting is on, QuickBooks will automatically file your W-2s for you. If your setting is off, you'll need to file your W-2s electronically through QuickBooks. We'll show you how to do it in this video. Go to Payroll Tax. Select Filings. Find the W-2 copy's A&D employer. You can use the filter to make this easier. Select File. You can preview your W-2s before filing if needed. When you're ready, select E-File. Note, there's no way to stop the W-2 filing once you select E-File. You'll see your filing confirmation. The W-2s are on their way to the SSA, IRS, and your state if applicable. Select Done. Next, you can print your W-2s for any of your employees who need a paper copy. Check out this video to print your W-2s. W-2s need to be postmarked by January 31st. Great work! You've successfully filed your W-2s.